These are Marines, because of course I was a Marine Corps captain. So I was kind of partial to the Marine helicopters, but unfortunately, to be accurate, the Marine Corps never had D models, and because this is a D model, I had to build it for Army colors, and the squadron that it's copied after, and the emblems and all the stuff on it, came from a squadron of Army guys that were on the same base as us in Vietnam. And so if I was going to do a D model, I figured, well, at least I'll do it for some of the guys that I knew, and they would tie it in a little bit. And so it's the Black Cat Squadron, hence the black cat on the nose. And they were a good bunch of guys, and we all got along real good. Of course, they were on the other side of the road.
I just started IMAX.